Welcome back everyone to Tech Camp. I know today you are planning to buy a new data cable because your old data cable has been ruptured. And after searching and researching everywhere, you came across two terms, braided and non-braided data cables. So here we will not cover in depth about cables, but only see the aspects to enable your purchase. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So let's first understand what actually is braided and non-braided data cable. Braided data cable, as the name suggests, is a type of shielding that is provided on the cable. This is done to protect cable from electromagnetic interference or EMI, and it also increases the flex life and the mechanical strength of cable. Talking about non-braided data cable, one can understand that they lack feature unlike braided cable. Although non-braided data cable may or may not have protection against electromagnetic interference as done on their R&D. But in general, braided data cables are more durable than non-braided data cables thanks to their shielding. Braided data cable can be seen as extension over normal data cable, and sometimes this makes braided data cable more expensive than non-braided data cable. Both braided and non-braided data cable will serve the same purpose, but the mechanical durability difference them apart. So this was the advantage of braided data cable over non-braided data cable. But is there any disadvantage? Every coin has two faces. So let's see its disadvantage. The disadvantage itself is not so used to turn down the deal because it is better to buy once than buy again and again. So cons is as braided data cable becomes sturdier due to shielding, this decreases its flexibility. That means less tangled, but increases the flex life of data cable. So by this discussion, I think you are now clear about braided and non-braided data cables. Without wasting any more time, I will conclude by saying you can subscribe us for more tech related stuff and happy shopping for your new purchase of data cable.